Sa kakatapos lang na national costume at preliminary show ng Miss Universe 2025 competition, ay marami sa ating mga kababayan ang talagang nasiyahan at naging proud sa naging performance ni Atisa Manalo. At sa naging panayam ni Miss Diane Castillejo kay Atisa Manalo matapos ang nasabing event, ay taos puso at lubos ang naging pasasalamat ni Atisa. Narito at panoorin.
Atisa, how did it feel to have so many Filipinos cheering for you in the crowd?
Super happy na super support yung mga Filipino talaga.
Oo.
Ang dami, nakakatuwa.
Happy ka?
Super happy.
Yeah.
I hope everyone's happy.
Oh, I'm sure they are. Nakaka-proud yung national costume mo.
Diba? We put so much thought, effort into it, especially Mac and his team. You know those individual petals they made? There's like 65,000 of that. And they individually, have to like stick it and everything.
Yeah.
You see the effort. Thank you.
Wait, I have to say your fitness, your walk in your swimsuit, ang galing.
Thank you, Miss Dia.
Yeah, pinaktis mo yan, ano?
Of course.
Saka yung abs mo, may lines ka, ha? Very good. And the gown was Mac Tumang also?
Yes, the gown was Mac.
Was it heavy?
Hindi naman.
Yeah.
Okay naman siya.
The national costume looked heavy.
That was heavy. That one is heavy.
Okay, finals na lang. Let's go!
Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? Just comment down below.